Hello everyone, I hope y'all are doing well. Beginning in the middle, I like to make a small circle to make the starting point. Then I added 2 more circles to expand the area for the next step. I went with a flower petal shape, then created a larger outline around the petals and added a few semicircles in between. Lastly, I drew a large circle surrounding the inner design, completing the first simple mandala, which still leaves a lot of blank space. Personally, I don't like leaving too much blank space in my art, so onto the right side. I created a second mandala to complement the one in the middle. I started with the circles again, this time adding rounded petals, then a semicircle between each petal, followed by a full circle around everything else. Next, I drew flower petals that are rounded at the base and pointed at the tip. Lastly, I added another row of petals between each of the previous ones. I drew a large circle surrounding the inner design. I duplicated the layer and flipped it, then placed it on the left side. Then I decided to draw the border to help the mandala stand out more. The upcoming second part of the video is all about the designs for the mandalas as we just finished making. Keep in mind, you can use any kind of design you can dream of. For that very reason, think of the second part of the video as more of a rough idea rather than a step-by-step guide. I mostly use a lot of repetitive patterns that are the same or similar to each other. To start off the designs, we're heading back to the middle mandala. I connected 2 inner circles using simple straight lines and added dots in between the remaining circles. As you can see, I used more dots and lines in the remaining empty space, making a very similar pattern throughout the mandala. The key difference lies in the placement of the lines, the varying size dots, and the boldness of the lines and curves. I even used a technique called hatching in the orange semicircle, which uses overlapping lines to create a shading effect without filling in solid color. After finishing the designs on the first mandala, I roughly colored the border. Then I moved on to designs on the second mandala to the left and the right. Instead of explaining every detail added to the mandala, let me just say this. Mandalas are a very personal form of design. You can create whatever you want, from the basic shapes and the circles to the intricate details. You can literally draw anything and fill it in with a mandala design. That's what makes mandalas so fascinating and fun to create. Even if you only take one thing away from this video, let it be this. The possibilities are endless when it comes to making mandalas. Use the simple steps and tricks you learn here as a starting point on your journey to create your very own beautiful mandala. That's all for now. Have a wonderful day.